Hi, I'm Robert Slama, and I want to welcome you to my law firm, the Law Office of Robert J. Slama. We have offices in Jacksonville and in Fort Myers. In Jacksonville, we're conveniently located just off of JTB at Belfort Road on South Point Parkway, and in Fort Myers, we're on College Parkway at the Banyan Building, which is right across the street from the college. My office, we are here to help families. We have been in business for over 24 years, and we specialize and practice in family law, marital and family law, including divorce, juvenile defense, criminal defense, bankruptcy and foreclosures, med-mal, personal injury, and wills and estates. My firm handles these matters, and we have for a number of years, helping regular families, helping people, small businesses, helping students. And I was in the military in the Signal Corps, the United States Army Signal Corps, and we love to help vets of all branches and of all types of cases. So if you're a veteran, I understand much about whether you're on active duty now or whether you're retired, and certainly issues related to veterans and veterans benefits. Today the law has gotten more complicated, and for most people you're probably asking this question if you're on this website: what help do you need? And how can a law firm help you? Well, there's a couple of ways we can help you. If you go to the buttons and click on each of the practice areas, there'll be a video there that will introduce you to each of those topics. So for example, family law, bankruptcy, foreclosure defense, criminal, med-mal, personal injury. There'll be a video giving you specific information and specific instructions. But where do you start? And how can I help you? Well, what a lawyer can do for you is we set up what's called a free consultation, and the consultation lasts typically about 30 to 45 minutes. During that consultation, we're going to discuss a number of things. We're going to talk about some of the facts, not all of them, but some of them that brought you into my office, what you're trying to accomplish, what your goals are, and of course we're going to talk a little bit about finances. Now, a lot of people think they can't afford an attorney or that all attorneys charge the same thing. Everyone charges something different based on their experience, based on the practice area, based on the complexity of the case and the time that will eventually be expended. We have affordable payment plans, and we are able to work with you in that respect. So the most important thing is first getting a consultation and understanding what your rights are, understanding what action can be taken, and if we can't handle you, we'll refer you out to someone who can. What's important at the initial consultation is that you obtain peace of mind. So what is the first thing we can do for you? I find that oftentimes a lot of the anxiety and a lot of the fear is driven by a lack of understanding. People don't understand, and thus they become more afraid. As you come to know what your rights are, you come to understand what obligations you may have and what your exposure is, we can then talk about formulating a plan, which is the second goal. First goal is helping us and you understand what your rights and your obligations are. Second is coming up with a plan on how we may go about attacking this. Third is getting retained. An attorney can't help you and give advice until they're retained. So at the point in time that we're retained, meaning we have a contract, you've signed up, and it specifies what our actions are that are going to be taken, and also what the payment and the fee is and the costs. Then you have an attorney now who's hired, who is going to work on your behalf and begin with helping you accomplish whatever the matter may be, whatever the goal is that we come to understand mutually and agree to, and then we start working on formulating that plan. It's very important that in today's environment, particularly early on, whether it's a car accident, whether it's a criminal case, whether it's a family law case, that you begin working on your case immediately and you get assistance before you get too far down the road. A lot of damage is done early on, just like in medicine. They talk about the miracle minute or that golden hour. That very early on, the help you get goes a long way towards how well the patient will recover. Please call me, whether you're in Fort Myers or whether you're in Jacksonville. You may call and schedule an appointment. You can contact us via email. It's all on the website. My number is in Jacksonville, 904-296-1050. That's 904-296-1050. And on the website, you have my number in Fort Myers. Please contact us, schedule a consultation. It's free. We have affordable payment plans, and we're here to help you. Helping families, that's what we do.